Positive impacts of olive oil enriched with lycopene on the plasma antioxidant and anti-inflammatory status of hypercholesterolemic patients. This important article is authored by the following scientists: Atherosclerosis is a chronic inflammatory disease that is responsible for several cardiovascular events such as ischemic heart disease, coronary artery disease, peripheral artery disease, and ischemic stroke. Olive oil and lycopene are foods that have potent antioxidant activity. The objective was to determine the effects of consumption of olive oil enriched with lycopene on oxidative stress biomarkers in hypercholesterolemic subjects. The study product sample, lycopene olive oil, consisted of virgin olive oil enriched with lycopene, 350 mg per liter. Patients, N is equal to 80, were recruited from the town of Moralzarzal, Madrid, Spain, including healthy men and women with cholesterol levels over 220 mg per deciliter. The effects of oil enriched with lycopene extract daily intake were examined for 1 month on plasma antioxidant capacity, lipid profile, triacylglycerols, total cholesterol, HDLC, LDLC, OXLDL, biomarkers of oxidative stress, and inflammatory markers related to atherosclerosis risk, C-reactive protein, CRP, IL-6, SDC, 4 liters, in subjects with hypercholesterolemia, cholesterol greater than to 20 mg per deciliter. In the group consuming olive or lycopene, significant increases, P less than 0.05, in the levels of plasma lycopene concentration, 0.146 plus or minus 0.03 versus 0.20 to plus or minus 0.04 micromoles per liter, alpha-carotene, 0.166 plus or minus 0.064 versus 0.238 plus or minus 0.07, and beta-carotene, 0.493 plus or minus 0.187 versus 0.713 plus or minus 0.221 were observed. These results are linked with the increases of plasma antioxidants and decrease in biomarkers of oxidative stress, carbonyl groups, malondialdehyde and 8-hydroxydeoxyguanosine, observed in the hypercholesterolemic group. In relation to the lipid profile, a significant decrease was observed in the levels of OXLDL, 781 plus or minus 302 versus 494 plus or minus 200, remaining unchanged in the levels of TG, cholesterol, HDL and LDLC. Regarding inflammatory biomarkers, the levels of CRP and IL-6 decreased significantly. The positive results obtained in this study support the use of olive oil enriched with lycopene to reduce the risk of coronary disease. The results also indicate that triglyceride, cholesterol, LDL, and HDL levels did not change significantly. However, OXLDL levels decreased significantly only in the group supplemented with lycopene olive oil. In conclusion, this study suggests that foods containing olive oil and lycopene can significantly contribute to reducing LDL-induced oxidative stress. Introduction. Cardiovascular diseases, like heart attacks and strokes, are often caused by a condition called atherosclerosis, where fatty deposits and inflammation block arteries. This condition is worsened by high cholesterol, poor diet, inactivity, and other lifestyle factors. One natural compound called lycopene, found in tomatoes, has shown promise in protecting the heart due to its strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Another heart-healthy food is olive oil, especially rich in beneficial fats and compounds that reduce inflammation and improve cholesterol levels. Research suggests that combining lycopene with olive oil not only improves lycopene absorption but also boosts heart health benefits. This study aims to explore how olive oil enriched with lycopene can affect cholesterol levels and inflammation in people with moderately high cholesterol who are not taking medication. The goal is to provide a natural and dietary approach to lowering cardiovascular risk and promoting heart health through everyday foods. Conclusion: this study shows that combining lycopene, a natural antioxidant found in tomatoes, with olive oil can significantly improve heart health in people with high cholesterol. Compared to those who only consumed olive oil, individuals who took lycopene-enriched olive oil had higher levels of important nutrients, alpha-carotene and beta-carotene, and showed a strong reduction in harmful oxidized LDL, a key factor in artery blockage. The lycopene group also had lower levels of inflammation, as shown by reduced CRP and IL-6 and better protection against oxidative stress, damage caused by unstable molecules in the body. While both olive oil and the lycopene mixture helped, the combination had stronger effects in reducing harmful stress markers. These results support the benefits of the Mediterranean diet, rich in vegetables and olive oil, and suggest that adding lycopene could offer extra protection for heart health by lowering inflammation and oxidative stress in people with high cholesterol. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.